Welcome to this video on the System of Action for Resilient Manufacturing and Supply Chain, featuring Pluto 7's Planning in a Box, available on Gemini Enterprise. The current state is plagued by a crisis where legacy systems can't keep up with the demand for agility. We face spreadsheet silos, decision latency, and data chaos, leading to lost revenue and time spent on manual work. The problem of data chaos from fragmented data and static planning is solved by Pi Agent Clarity. Pluto 7 offers a unified platform for intelligent and proactive planning through data harmony, AI semantics, and robust governance. A case study with LIXIL, including brands like Gruo Hat, shows the power of planning in a box. By unifying global data silos, Lixil achieved $5 million in savings and 10x faster decision-making, optimizing manufacturing across continents. Quantifying the business value, the solution projects a 240% 3-year ROI and a 60% reduction in decision latency. It also leads to a 25% drop in inventory costs, 10% higher forecast accuracy, and a 4% increase in gross margin. Hear directly from our customers about their journey from AI adoption to measurable business value. Click the link to watch their stories. Pi Agent solves the hard problem by moving from data chaos to clarity. It unifies data through Pi Unify and semantic components, and drives intelligent operations with Pi Decision and Pi Shield, leading to real business value. The future state is agentic commerce. Pi Agent is a system of action and decision intelligence platform that operates on your behalf to resolve disruptions proactively. This includes autonomous operations and 60-second execution of decisions. Pi Agent facilitates autonomous orchestration by operating on top of legacy records. The core orchestrator uses a variety of specialized agents, like demand, inventory, and logistics agents, to execute decisions rapidly. 60-second execution is the new planning benchmark. Think of Pi Agent as your Uber for business operations. When a key supplier shipment is delayed, the core orchestrator automatically triggers actions like rerouting, recalculating costs, and adjusting the forecast in seconds, protecting revenue. The integrated AI backbone combines Pi Agent with Gemini. Pi Unify and Semantic create a business digital twin, while Pi Decision and Shield provide the execution layer, built on Gemini Enterprise for security and scalable simulations. Planning in a Box is designed to coexist with or replace legacy systems like SAP IBP and Blue Yonder. It offers a faster deployment time, real-time decision speed, autonomous agents, and unified data from over 250 signals. Mission-critical reliability is ensured through infinite scalability on GCP infrastructure, zero-trust security at every layer of the Pi Agent stack, and seamless ecosystem integration with tools like Google Workspace, SAP, and Oracle. In another case study, Levi Strauss & Company achieved 90% accuracy in product dimensioning using Vision AI. This optimized their warehouse space and reduced global shipping errors, transforming their supply chain economics. AB InBev partnered with Pluto 7 to modernize brewing precision, leading to a 60% efficiency gain and reduced waste. Learnings scaled operations across 126 countries, proving the solution's scalability. Thank you for watching. Join the evolution of autonomous supply chain. You can request a demo or visit the pricing page using the QR codes, or contact us via email or our website.